going on a walk. You ready?
Yeah.
OMG, he left. He's going. Okay, I just bought this planner. I'm trying to be a lot more organized with my work because literally all of my notes and like to-do lists are all on my notes app, which has been working for me for a really long time. But I want to like actually get organized and write everything down like day to day. Plus I feel like it'll be really good for me to just sit down and then plan. I feel like taking my time out of my day, doing my whole planner, organizing it and making it like cute would be really fun. I just got a plain notebook so that way I can organize it myself. This whole entire section is gonna be for 1 month. Okay, everything is looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna start filling what I need to fill in. That is not working. Look at how big they're getting. Oh. Look at how big they're getting. This is Lila. You guys are going too fast. Okay, me and Jordan are gonna go out today, so let me go take a body shower because I'm kind of sweaty. I didn't go to bed till 5 o'clock in the morning last night. And then I woke up at 7 to finish uploading this video. And I have to leave for ballet in 30 minutes. Oh my goodness. My face is so puffy and I feel like it's probably from not getting enough sleep. Okay, I put myself together super quickly. I'm on my way to ballet now. I cannot find my black shorts, so I'm going with the gray. The forehead is really out today. This neighborhood is so gorgeous. I purposely park far away so that way I can walk and look at everything. got 2 items from Btw Bakery. I got a tiramisu cake and then this and then this chocolate cake. I tried so hard not to finish it in the car so that way I can actually show you guys what I got. It's so freaking good. I need to put glasses on to balance out my big forehead. Oh, much better. Okay. I like the perfect amount of chocolate. It's light and fluffy. As soon as I got home, I cleaned the puppy pen. I forgot how dirty puppies are and how much of a mess they make, especially because now that I have a cat, they kind of like clean up after themselves and you only have to clean their litter box every day. But having a dog, a cat, and 8 puppies is honestly, I was not prepared for all of this work. Mimsy, you're eating my hair. I was not prepared for the amount of work you have to do to keep up with puppies and keep them clean and feed them and etc. Like in the morning, I'll wake up like at 7 or 8. I clean their puppy pen every single day because, like I said, puppies are messy. I bought those like large whelping puppy mats. So I was washing one of the puppy mats today and then obviously fed them, etc. But yeah, it is so much work. I'll wake up in the morning, I'll clean their whole entire area. I have their washable puppy mats and then I also have those throwaway regular puppy mats. I have to feed Nova separately though because she does have a habit of trying to eat the puppy's food even though she has her own food. I'm trying to work on that. If you guys have any tips for that, please let me know. It's been a little crazy, but honestly I wouldn't have it any other way because the puppies are just so freaking cute. I can't. I literally devoured that cake. It was so good. I think this might be like one of my favorite outfits ever. Oh my god! I'm going to the rodeo right now. I have no idea how it's gonna be. The tickets were selling out so freaking fast, so I just bought mine without even knowing what's gonna be happening. And apparently there's a concert connected with my ticket. So yeah, I just really wanted to see bull riding, but I guess it also came with a concert ticket. So this is the bull riding and concert outfit. Oh my gosh. I'm so freaking excited. I am loving this whole outfit. I have to go right now, but I'm gonna vlog everything. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys there at the rodeo. Ready for bull riding. Cute.
Seven horses over there to support the Fresno Police Department.
Let's walk. We're gonna have. Let's ride.
That I needed to put in my to-do list. Now I'm just gonna edit something really quickly and send it off because it is due today. I just came back from LA. Oh my god, I had so much fun. I got invited to play tennis. I learned how to play tennis. It was so fun. I have been dying to go to Erewhon so bad because I just keep seeing videos of it pop on my TikTok. I kept seeing videos of the haileybieber smoothie and just stuff that they have at Erewhon. So I wanted to try it out myself. Was really good. I do have to say that smoothie was super good. Okay. Put some cilantro. Done. I'm so tired. My hair is done. I also cut it a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of hair oil and go to bed because I am tired.